I am Louis Pasteur, born on December 27, 1822, in Dole, a small town in France. My childhood was humble yet rich in values of perseverance and hard work, instilled by my father, a tanner who had served under Napoleon. From an early age, I showed a keen interest in the sciences, though my early academic performance was modest. Yet, my determination and curiosity led me to École Normale Supérieure in Paris, where I began to delve into the world of chemistry and crystallography. In my early scientific career, I became fascinated by the mysteries of molecular asymmetry. I discovered that tartaric acid crystals could exist in two forms, mirror images of each other, a groundbreaking revelation in stereochemistry. But my ambition soon turned toward solving practical problems, blending science with service to humanity. The mid-19th century was a tumultuous time for science, with debates raging over the origins of life and disease. It was during this time that I entered the fray, challenging the long-held belief in spontaneous generation. Through meticulous experiments, including my famous swan neck flask demonstration, I proved that microorganisms arise from pre-existing life, not spontaneously from inanimate matter. This was not merely an academic exercise, it had profound implications for medicine, agriculture, and industry. My work on fermentation, undertaken in the 1850s, bridged the gap between science and industry. The beer and wine industries of France were plagued by spoilage, threatening both livelihoods and my nation's pride. I demonstrated that fermentation was driven by microorganisms and that heating wine, a process later called pasteurization, could preserve it without altering its quality. This discovery laid the foundation for modern microbiology. As the decades passed, my focus turned to the diseases that ravaged humans and animals alike. Working with my team, I developed the germ theory of disease, which established that many illnesses are caused by specific microorganisms. This insight revolutionized medicine and opened new pathways for treatment and prevention. One of my most celebrated achievements was the development of vaccines. My first success was in 1881 with anthrax, a deadly disease that decimated livestock. Using weakened strains of the bacterium, I created a vaccine that protected animals, bolstering agriculture and saving countless livelihoods. But it was my work on rabies that truly cemented my legacy. After years of painstaking research, I developed a vaccine that saved the life of a young boy bitten by a rabid dog in 1885, a moment that became a turning point in the fight against infectious diseases. Throughout my life, I faced skepticism, resistance, and personal tragedy. I lost 3 of my 5 children to typhoid fever, a pain that fueled my resolve to fight against diseases that brought suffering to others. My wife, Marie, was my steadfast companion, supporting me through every challenge and triumph. As I grew older, I devoted myself to founding the Pasteur Institute in 1887, a beacon of hope for scientific research and medical progress. Even as my health declined, I remained committed to the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity. When I passed away on September 28, 1895, in Villeneuve-l'Étang, I left behind a legacy that continues to inspire generations. My discoveries transformed the fields of medicine, biology, and chemistry, saving millions of lives and setting the stage for future breakthroughs. I am Louis Pasteur, a man of science, perseverance, and deep belief in the power of knowledge to overcome ignorance and suffering. My journey from a small-town boy to a pioneer of microbiology is a testament to what humanity can achieve through dedication and a relentless pursuit of truth.